when electrons in the smallest particles first began to stir. When power grids stretching far and wide pulse in resonance across vast distances, the pulse of the world awakens. Electricity, the beginning and the answer. CEEG, deep-rooted in transmission and distribution equipment manufacturing, building an integrated energy ecosystem, carrying dependable power across mountains and seas, electrifying the world. Foresight keeps us at the forefront of the industry. Innovation drives craftsmanship beyond the limits of performance. Responsibility builds an unshakable energy foundation for global development. Guided by conviction, we move toward the light. To fulfill one steadfast promise, delivering premium power to the world. 4 smart manufacturing bases form a globally integrated manufacturing network. Every production process meets rigorous international standards. Backed by cloud-based R&D platform, simulation analysis, and the smart manufacturing, we embed specialization and customization at the core of every product. Precision takes shape in every process. Here, energy takes form. Reliability is engineered into every product. Dry-type transformers keep urban power running steadily. Oil-immersed transformers drive infrastructure projects far beyond the horizon. Integrated electrical systems, delivering integrated end-to-end power solutions for green, low-carbon development. A complete portfolio spanning every voltage class from low voltage to extra high voltage, linking the full power chain from generation to end use. Every product redefines the possibilities of power, enabling energy to flow efficiently without boundaries, delivered with precision. New energy, data centers, aerospace, rail transit, power grid infrastructure, commercial buildings, petrochemicals, marine and offshore engineering. From China, our footprint extends to the United States, France, Spain, the Middle East, and every place in the world where energy is needed. Extreme conditions prove our strength. Global presence reflects our responsibility. CEEG, with uncompromising reliability, we safeguard energy security across every scenario, enabling energy-efficient, environmentally responsible power use. From an island city to more than 100 countries and regions worldwide. From a single transformer to more than 400,000 units, operating reliably around the world. With power as our language, we expand the boundaries of possibility. With reliability as our measure, we forge enduring core strength. Reaching beyond boundaries, electrifying the world.